Today's look is the puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's. Be sure to like and subscribe to see all the looks coming up. To start, I'll be putting in some Scalera lenses linked below. Begin by laying down a base of Graftobian Clown White with a dampened beauty sponge. Finish the edges with a flat brush, avoiding your brows as it will coat everything. Press with a white powder to seal and dust off the excess. The puppet doesn't actually have any brows, so we're going to just fill in thinly with a black shadow and give little hair strokes at the start. For the eyes, lay down a base of a medium gray tone. Blend into the hollows and below. Add a darker gray to the outer 2/3 and blend. Create a thick black cat's eye along the entire upper lid. Line below away from your lid edge and connect the liners. Add 2 bottom lash strokes. Add a very long dramatic top lash. Fill in the bottom space with a dark gray shadow. Use the medium gray to sculpt the nose and the contours of your face, as your features can become lost in all of the matte white. This brings back the dimension to your face. Blend into the brows softly. Add to the hollows of your cheeks. Next, we'll be using black and red creams for the mouth and cheeks. Use black shadow to mark the outlines of where you want the mouth to be, since it's easier to fix. Once happy with the shape, fill in with the black cream. Set with a black shadow. Add to the edge of the lid of the product and stamp a circle on each cheek to make even. Take the red and create a top and bottom lip. Set with a red shadow. Fill in your cheeks with the red cream and set with the red shadow as well. For the purple stripes, I decided to use a water-activated body paint to not have to worry about powder fallout on the parts we've finished. Center under each eye and connect to the mouth line. To finish the makeup side of things, fill your neck in with a water-activated black body paint and layer with a black powder. I added long finger black gloves and striped arm sleeves, and this look is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I know you have a massive selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so grateful to have you here. I'll see you next time.